I stand before your throne, pleading for Haitians who call this land home. We have been called many names, they told us to go back home. Yet we place our hope in you, for you are always just. You know why we fled our homeland in despair, due to violence, fear, and burdens hard to bear. Lord, hear the cries of every Haitian. We are your children, we are more than a TPS. We are more than a TPS. We are your children, God. Pour out your favor and open every door. Touch the hearts of leaders for mercy and grace. Let Haitians find hope in your love. Lord, America forgets the history, how Haitians' hands helped freedom grow. We stood with courage in Savannah, Georgia, and fight for liberty. We helped inspire those who long to be free. They forget Haitians like Gerald Alphonse, who invented light for technology. Jean-Baptiste Point du Sable, who founded Chicago. And Haitian in every field, who contributes to the success of this land. Remind this nation of the good Haitians people bring. Let our labor honor Christ our King. We are more than a TPS. Oh, we are your children, God. Pour out your favor and open every door. Touch the hearts of leaders for mercy and grace. Let Haitians find hope in your love. The land we left still cries beneath oppression's weight. Insecurity and hunger destroy lives. Gangs have stolen peace and dreams have died. Yet through every storm, you've never left us. Change heart of the leaders with authority and power. May mercy bloom where fear has ruled this hour. Let every law reflect the value you have shown. For every life is precious before your heavenly throne. We are more than a TPS. Oh, we are your children, God. Pour out your favor and open every door. Touch the hearts of leaders for mercy and grace. Let Haitians find hope in your love. Father, send your favor on this little nation, Haiti. Restore her hope and heal her generations completely. Until that day, let favor be upon your people here, replacing every sorrow, doubt, and every fear of deportation. May America remember every hand that helped to rise. Haitian revolution in 1804 that facilitated the purchase of Louisiana.